Welcome to our video on how to refer a friend on DraftKings. Today, we'll explore the exciting referral program and how you can earn rewards just by sharing it with your friends. Before you begin, let's review the eligibility requirements. Ensure that both you and your friends hold valid accounts on DraftKings. Now, let's access your referral link. Open the DraftKings app, navigate to your account section, and you'll find the referral link ready for you. Sharing your referral code is easy. Use messaging apps or social media to get the word out. Be sure to personalize your message to engage your friends. What do you get for referring your friends? Up to $100 in bonuses for each invitation accepted. That's a great way to build your earnings. You can easily track your referrals and bonuses directly in the app's dashboard. Keep an eye on your progress to stay updated. Have questions? We cover common issues you might encounter while referring friends, from code expirations to reward conditions. Maximize your earnings by regularly sharing your code and encouraging friends to join in on the fun with attractive offers. Thanks for watching. Now it's time to put your knowledge into action and start referring your friends for amazing rewards on DraftKings.